Okay, I want you to simplify some radicals in this. You have the square root of 6. Now, the square root of 6, 6 is not a perfect square, okay? So it's an irrational decimal. Now, I want you to get in the habit of this now. If it's irrational, you can put divided by, but you'd start at 4. 6 divided by 4 is a decimal, so that won't work. Now, if you come to 1, you know it's going to divide by 1. But if all it divides by is 1, if you come to the 1, just circle it, okay? Because it doesn't change. Because remember, we end up taking the 1 away, and it just ends up the same square root. Okay, 9. 9 is not an irrational square root. Square root of 9 equals 3. 16 is not an irrational square root. 16 is a perfect square. The square root of 16 is 4. 3 is an irrational square root, so you can continue to put the division sign, 3 divided by, but if all you come to is 1, then you're just going to circle it, okay? Square root of 15, 15 is not a perfect square, so that's irrational. Put the division sign, so 15 divided by 9, decimal. 15 is not divisible by 4, so I come to 1, so that means it's a prime square root. 36 is a perfect square, so it's not irrational, it equals 6. 4 is a perfect square, it's not irrational, it equals 2. And then 11 is irrational, there's no integer times itself, that's 11, okay? So, divide, but 11 is not divisible by 9, that's a decimal, okay? 11 divided by 4 is a decimal, and then you come to 1, okay? So, coming to 1, there's your answer.